Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Major D. Aquilino, 42 years old, married, and have two children ages 21 and 19 years old. I am AB undergraduate.
Please describe yourself.
I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and responsible person.
When you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My parents and my husband.
Please describe your work experience.
I have work experience in Brunei Darussalam for 2 years and 1 month, year 2013 to 2015. I served 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 4 years old and 2 months old baby. I do taking care of children, cooking, ironing, and washing the clothes. My second work experience in United Arab Emirates for 1 year and 6 months, year 2023 to 2024. I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 3 children, ages 13, 12, and 9 years old. I do cleaning, washing of clothes, ironing, cooking, taking care of the children.
Thank you, ma'am.